Hello all of you, welcome to tutorial on pivot in SQL. In this tutorial we will try to know the basic concept of pivot in SQL. SQL Pivot. The SQL pivot that allows to convert table rows to columns. SQL syntax. Select star from subquery, then pivot, then aggregation function. It will be average, it will be sum, then for column name for which pivot, in column 1 value 1, value 2, then value n, then alias pivot table. So let's take a look in query window. We have tables here, employee monthly salary, employee salary, employee monthly salary, employee info, and SalaryHead. So if I select from employee monthly salary table, select star from employee monthly salary, so here the result. So I just want to select from employee, select star from, then employee, here the result. So and then I just want to select star from employee SalaryHead. So if I execute this, here the result, here the SalaryHead. So if I get the result from joining between these three tables, like employee monthly salary, employee info, and SalaryHead. So if I execute this, here the query, here salary SalaryHead name, and here we can see make with SalaryHead ID, SalaryHead, and its salary amount. So I just want to see the result for here the SalaryHead and its salary amount. I just want to see SalaryHead and its total salary amount. So how do we get this? Yes, this can be achieved by using pivot. So I just want to open the new query. So we have the query for ages. So I just want to take it into subquery. Select star, then from, and here it is. So yes, pvt. So if I execute this is a simple subquery, so we don't have change any values here, just a subquery. So this is the subquery, and under this subquery I just want to add pivot. So pivot, then open close bracket, then pivot name as pivot. This is user defined, so we can give it its name anyone table. So inside the pivot we need to implement our logic. So I just want to sum the salary amount, sum, which is salary amount under this subquery. This is the aggregation function, and this aggregation function can will be performed for SalaryHeadName. So for I just want to generate the pivot for SalaryHeadName. Here it is, SalaryHeadName, and this SalaryHeadName contain in here. If I select SalaryHead, this is the SalaryHead table. So if I select it from star, here the SalaryHead. So if I execute this, these are all SalaryHead. So I just want to pivot using this column. So these are the column. So open, then close, then comma, then open, then comma. So we can get this as like. So this is the SalaryHead name, and these are the values of SalaryHead, and under this SalaryHead we just want to aggregate salary amount. So if I execute this, could not find, sorry, we have problem. Sorry, here the result. So if I execute this again, here we can see the first name, this is the first name, year, month, then year, the first name, year, month, and I just want to see the values for SalaryHead, and here the SalaryHead's Arrear, basic, contributory, provident fund, these are all here. This is the other from Arrear Allowance, and then other allowance. So here it is. So this is the SalaryHeads, and we pivot it from column to from rows to table, rows to column. So and here the salary amount is used for aggregation function. So in this way we can use pivot to convert row to column. So in this way we can use pivot in our SQL query. Thanks. Keep watching the next video. Thank you so much.